Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are facing some errors, some annoying issues while you want to watch your bank feed and you want to get the exact record from your bank about all the transactions that you have made or you are about to making. So if there's any error and you want to fix it, then this video is for you. So watch till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account, and here you can find the transactions. So make sure that you have added your bank account here by simply click on connect account button here, or once you have added, make sure you have added, or if you upgraded your password or username on your bank account, so you have to update it or re-enter or reconnect your bank account with that new credentials that you have changed. Then here is some troubleshooting tips from QuickBooks that you can follow. So you can go to this URL, or you can search for this issue where you can ask for, like, you're facing like banking error or bank feed error, where you can find different types of error option here. So if you're facing one of them from here, so you can simply click on it and you can see the exact solution for that exact error. But here is most common steps that you should follow. That is step number one is start a manual download. So you have to do is go to bookkeeping, then select transactions, then select the bank transaction, then select update. So you can find the update button where you can simply click on update. This update will updates all your connected bank and carrier accounts, and the number of transactions in each account type will increase if QuickBooks download new transactions. Now step 2 is check your bank or credit card's website. So first, make sure you check the URL QuickBooks uses to connect your bank. So go to bank bookkeeping, select transactions, then select bank transactions, then select link account. Then here is some note for you that you won't add an account, you just need the listed URL. Search for your bank and select it. Copy the URL listed for your bank. Sign into your bank or credit card's website using the copied URL. If you can sign in, it's a good sign that there isn't a major issue. So next, check the following. Check your account for messages, notifications, or alerts. Look for any display issue as you navigate the website. This can block QuickBooks from downloading new transactions. Check your bank's website for any announcements about new security requirements. Now step 3 is update your bank info in QuickBooks. So did you recently update anything on your bank's website, like your account number, username, or password? So if so, then update that info in QuickBooks as well. That you have to go to the bookkeeping, then select the transactions, then select bank transactions, then select the tile for the bank account, then select the edit or the pen icon, then select edit sign in info, then update your info as needed. So this will help you to solve this issue. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.